So now that we've got some basic structure to our pages with headings and with paragraphs and with bold and italics, let's look at grouping data together. So we want to make it easier for our users, our readers, to be able to actually like associate things together. This goes with this. Ah, I get it. So we want to look at formatting with lists. Now, a list, so again, this is for you guys to hit to is fork repel, that big blue button over there. And what you're going to get is a fresh copy of this code that you can do with what you choose, and it won't impact anybody other than you, as a matter of fact. So like the paragraph here says, a list gives your reader a way of associating groups of things together with one another. Now, built into HTML, we actually have two kinds of lists, ordered and unordered. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run, and we'll see what the output of this is. An ordered list is numeric. It goes from 1 till however many it is that you need. So why Rock Valley College is great: awesome teachers, awesome staff, awesome campus. 1, 2, 3. But if we go look at the code over here, it happens between lines 18 and 23. We have here on line 18, that is an H3. So you can see it's bolded for us over there, and that's our heading. And here with line number 19, OL is ordered list. What this prepares HTML and what this prepares your browser to do is go, okay, I'm starting a list, but the browser and HTML take care of the numbering for you. So here inside of my ordered list, I have LI list item. Each one of these list items is going to create a number, but I don't have to number them. The browser and HTML do that for me. So I've got awesome teachers, awesome staff, awesome campus. Let's add more to this. So I'm going to click on line number 22 and then hit enter. And I'm going to add a new LI list item. So again, that's shift less than LI and then shift greater than. That closes off my tag for me. So anything I put in here, so we've got awesome geese, just like so. And then if I say shift and less than, that /LI is going to be automatically populated for me. I just have to hit enter, and boom, that's the end of that particular list item. Let's add two more. We've got an LI. So I'm going to say awesome food. You may find that not to be true, but I do too. So then I say, shift less than, and then it automatically populates with the closing tag I need. I hit enter, and away we go. So there you go. Here's a new list item, and we always have awesome weather. Every time I came to campus over summer, there was a tornado. So yay. And again, I start my opening tag and it fills out with me. All I have to do is hit enter there. So I'm going to hit run. And this time around, if I look at my ordered list, you'll see awesome geese, awesome food, awesome weather have been automatically entered with the correct number that associates with it. And I, as the developer, didn't have to do anything. Fantastic. So there's times, however, where you're not necessarily going to want things to be ordered 1, 2, 3, 4. You just want to give them essentially a bulleted list. That's where we rely on the unordered list. And you can see that right here. Why Rock Valley College is great. It's the exact same H3. All I did was copy and paste that in here. And instead here on line number 32, you can see that I have UL unordered list instead of OL ordered list back here on line 19. Now, here's the best part about HTML. This is why it's great that we can just copy. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy 23, 24, 25. And I'm going to paste them in here after line 35. So there's list items for geese, food, weather, and I don't have to change anything. If I go ahead and run this, you'll notice I have those added back as bulleted items associated with this unordered list, and I didn't have to do hardly anything. So go ahead and experiment with adding a couple of list items here. You can add them to either an ordered list or an unordered list, and you can see what happens. So this still is great, but it is missing a little bit of flair. So we're going to start adding some better graphical qualities to our pages as we continue next.